Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this mushroom automatic pet feeder. This can be either cordless, which 3 D-size batteries, I think you can run it up to 180 days, and it can also be plugged into the wall. Alright, so we have, here is the lid here. That features a nice little tamper-proof lid that we can open and close, and then I believe it has this little compartment up here to keep your cat food fresh. Okay, what else we got in here? We have the user's manual. Let's see if I can open this up here. Some pretty tough tape there. All right, here we are. We have the user's manual. We have a little moisture removing pack that can go in the top of the lid there. And then we have a USB wall plug-in and a USB cord. So I like that this one's wrapped in like nylon there, so if the cats are gonna chew on it, it should be fairly durable. And then we have this good sized bowl there. I like this, like a stainless steel. That is really nice. We have that, or you could just feed it out of this. So either one. These look like they're removable. Take them out, wash them. What I like is that there's no hard edges, no sharp edges that's going to hurt your pet. And these are seamless, so it's going to be easy to clean. I like that. Okay. Here is this portion, and we have this as well. I believe that's it. So there's that, our little container for the food. And here is this. So this is really cool. This features some little rubber things in here. This is going to keep your cat food fresh. It's got all these little different things on here. I'm not sure if that takes that off of there or not. Okay, it also has some nice little rubber pads here, so it's not going to get knocked over too well. It's not going to slide around. There you have your battery compartment. So 3 D-size cell batteries. I'm going to have to get some of those. Here's our plug-in, can go right down in here. I think the cats are really going to like this. If you're away at work or whatever and you need to, keep your cats fed, or your pets or whatever. We have 2 cats, so oh, that's cool. So this just goes right on here like that, and then these lock into place, and that keeps your top on there. It's actually quite a bit of food that'll hold. And then this just goes right on top. You squeeze it together to open it up there, and that's tamper proof. There's no way the cats are getting in there. This is, I believe, programmable to administer like how much food you want them to have. And then this goes right in here like this. Of course, I will be demonstrating this for that, but look at that. That's nice. I like how the dish is way out here. So I've seen some other ones, I think, where the dish is like kind of closer to where it's like over the top, and so it might get in the way of the pets. But this is right out in front there. It's not going to obstruct their ability to eat the food as it dispenses it there. So that is really cool. I'm liking that. A lot of times, let's see, the instructions are pretty, lots of stuff. This is kind of complicated. I'm not sure if there's an app or something that you could do this with, just automatically feed with that. I'll have to check that out. I'm definitely going to show you guys if there is one. So I'm going to get this all set up for the cats. And I like how you can just put a bunch of cat food in there and it's going to keep it fresh. My cats are really picky, or why at least one of them. One of them's pretty picky. If the food's not fresh, then he won't eat it. He'll be like meow meow, and he'll wait for some other food. So I like that you can just pour this in the top. It's going to keep it nice there. So you can set the current time, and then you can start your feeding plan. I'm going to take a little bit of reading for me to catch up on this, and then to clean it, you just wipe it down, rinse out the base and stuff like that. So let's get this set up, and we'll show you how it works. Well, there's the cats, and Booger is really enjoying the food from here. I left this out overnight, and it dispensed nicely. As you can see, the bowl is good sized, and the cats don't have any trouble eating out of it. And doesn't seem like they're scared of it either. Right, Boogie? Oh, don't be scared. Why are they jumpy? And now it's Thomas's turn. Hey, Thomas. He was waiting for his brother to eat first. So it looks pretty cool. So I left this out overnight after I had programmed it, and I'll show you guys how to program it. Dispense the food perfectly. It's okay, Thomas. And both the cats are enjoying it. You can see the bowl is plenty big, enough for them to actually probably both could have eaten at it at the same time. Okay, friends, so this is super easy to set the timer and everything. So it's got a little lock thing. It'll lock automatically after a little while. It indicates that. You just hold that down. That's going to turn off that little lock. It's going to go away. Now you hold down the settings button here for about 3 seconds. And then it's going to flash your time. Make sure your time is correct. Once you do that, just adjust your time, plus or minus. And our time is good right now, so I'm just going to go plus and plus. And PM is correct. Okay. Now this first one is going to be, it's flashing the 1, and when you want it set. So I want this one at 8 o'clock a.m. So it did hit this button again. This is the only button we're really dealing with, this plus and minus. Okay, and AM, I want it to feed then. And then it says this is how much you want it to feed. So I want it to 10. This is 1 through 16, you can adjust it to. So if I want, this is how much it's going to give you, 16 or 0. Okay, and it has 6 different things. So we can go, I think I like 10 because we got 2 cats. Then I hit this again. It's going to go to set 2. And we're at, okay, 4 p.m. And I want that at 4 p.m. There we go. And I want also P, or how much is 10. Okay, cool. And 3 at 10 p.m. You know what? I'm going to change that to 11, 20. So that way we can watch it dispense here. Okay. And that's at PM. Okay, and there we go. P is 10. Now it's the fourth one. It goes to 6. So if you don't want to dispense anything at those times, you just leave this at 0 and go to the next one. It'll go 1 through 5, and this same thing here. You can set the time, whatever you want. I put 0 on these because I only want to feed 3 times a day. You can feed 6 up to 6 times a day if you want. But if you don't want them to feed anything, just leave this at 0 and it won't feed. Okay, and we are good to go. So when that hits 20, we're going to be dispensing some food. The cats really like this already. It's super handy. Nice portion control. I like this up top. It holds quite a bit of food, the reservoir. So hang on, I'm not going to make you guys wait the whole 2 minutes. We're going to wait a bit, and then we're going to show you how it dispenses. Okay, so we got about 30 seconds left. I'm not sure exactly when it hits the 20. It's going to dispense our food there. So we're just going to wait here and see. I don't think I've been around so far when it's dispensed the food. But a couple things I also want to point out. This bowl is super easy to remove and clean. And the sides are nice and sloped where the cats can still get out. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That is the coolest thing ever. and that'll fill up the little reservoir there, and it pushes it down. And there we go. It has all that food there. The cats eat it down. I might even adjust that to a little bit lower level. To 10 is quite a bit there. I might go down to 8. But there you have it, my friends. It's super cool. It says it can last up to like 180 days just on those 3 batteries. That's crazy. And you can plug it in also. Just a really handy device for feeding your cats. Yeah, I really like it. I think the cats like it too. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys.